Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. We had amazing trade this London morning session. We've been long against the dollar since the Asian session. Let me share with you guys how we enjoyed pipping today. Let's dig into the system. You don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future. Feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD and Pound Dollar. Alright, so let's talk about the Euro USD and let's talk about the 4-hour chart. As you have seen in my previous analysis yesterday, we had this beautiful, such a nice beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. So as explained to my trader, look here, the price was at the support level. As explained, if the price gonna break this level from this area, you can see here, then look for long. But if you look at the candlestick pattern, we have this bearish candle and another candle is inside the candle, which is the bullish inside candle pattern. So we were expecting this long trade here. We had such a nice beautiful long trade, price nicely respected. We were expecting the price should stay above this level, but price refused. Let's see guys, but we managed this beautiful decent long trade. We also had this pullback long. Let me share with you how I analyze the market at the support level. The most key important thing is the entry, and that's why we take the benefit from our intraday system. So you can see here price nicely reversed, but if you look at the real market right now, the price developed here. You can see here double bottom here, and the price nicely broken. As soon as the price broken and price retest this level, that's the high probability trade. You can see here previously price respected here as well. So that give us the significant high probability of long trade here. And then I did this analysis, look for this breakout, and after that beautiful long trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market in intraday. So this is happening real time guys. Every time we analyze the market with the live market, so you can see here as explained to price action details, then we explain this is the price action is developed, this is the structure, market is developed if the market is going to break. But as explained previously, based on the price action, we had a beautiful long trade here. The first target was around this level, which is the previous low, which is price nicely broken. As you can see in intraday, we had, you can see here, that's the level which price nicely respected. And as explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Our final target was around this 200 EMA, which is price nicely hit that level. As you can see here, not almost that level, but previously hit this level. So again, based on the price action as explained here, so look for around this level. If the price is going to respect, then possibility of long. Otherwise, if the price break and retest, give us the confirmation, then short trade here. We have another small pullback long, which price nicely respected this level. So now we are looking this breakout. So we had this build back to bank few pp. So beautiful trade guys on Euro USD. And let's move into the cable pound dollar. Pound dollar, more or less the same pattern we had it. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, and if you look at the price was at the support level, as you can see here, previously price respected. So when we look at the price action here, we can see here bullish inside candle pattern at the support level. So we were expecting at this breakout, as soon as the price gonna break, then we have long trade here. If you look at the previous candle, we have inside candle pattern, bullish inside candle pattern, that give us the significant high probability of reversal. And we had such a nice beautiful long trade. As explained to my trader, the first target would be the previous high, which price nicely hit. And let's see here, let me explain to you how I analyze the entry. And that's the key important thing is in trading. And if you look at here, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here, bank amazing profit. So pretty straightforward, again as explained in detail to all of my traders. If you look at the pattern, irrespective price at the support level, you can see here. So if you look at the intraday, you can see here the price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's the high probability when the price is at the major support level. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and the target around this level, which is price nicely hit, bank amazing profit. The final target was that we were expecting around this level, which price nicely hit this one. You can see here, as soon as the price hit, because as soon as the price progressing, we updating our price action, explain my trader, keep taking another pull, another breakout, which price nicely hit to the profit target. As you can see, a reason why, because the price was at the previous high in 4-hour, which price nicely hit and bank amazing profit on pound dollar. That was a beautiful trade guys, no doubt. All right, so dollar CAD, if you look at here, as explained to my trader, we expecting a long trade here. Let me explain to you why I'm saying that. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had it long trade yesterday, so pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback around this level. We had a short trade this morning, buying few pp's, and afterwards, as explained to my trader, look for this around pullback at this level, which I explain in my through trading view charts. Basically, we analyze market in a different ways, and that explain to my trader. Let me explain, show you here. You can see here, this is what I explained to my trader. So price develop up channel, so possibility of long here if the price refused to break. You can see here, so based on that, price nicely developed pullback long, developing it, but we need a valid technical entry. So let me explain to you based on this current analysis. This is the current analysis, but if you look at the previous analysis this morning, as I said to you, that was a pretty straightforward breakout, short trade, bank few pp's, and afterwards price reverse, as explained to my trader. If you look at even right now, if you look at here, we explained to trader, to look for this breakout, as explained in detail. This is the level, this is the previous level. If the price is going to break, short, but if the price is going to break this level, long here, you can see here the price nicely broken, and now are we expecting here pullback long here. So any pullback would consider high probability trade, but we had amazing trade. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but as always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And if you're still struggling, you know what to do. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.